In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a grid in Google Docs. If you've ever wished to organize information methodically or create a neat layout, creating a grid will be remarkably beneficial. It's a simple process, and I'm here to help you navigate each step with ease. First, let's begin by opening your web browser. Any modern browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is fired up, navigate to google.com by typing it into the address bar and pressing enter. This will bring you to Google's homepage. Next, ensure you're signed in to your Google account. You'll want to click on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner. Enter your email address into the field provided, then click Next. Go ahead and type in your password, remembering to be mindful of case sensitivity, and then click Next again. Now you should be successfully logged into your Google account. You'll see a small grid icon, which is your gateway to Google applications, located at the top right-hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that small box. A menu will drop down. From this menu, select Google Docs. This will redirect you to Google Docs' main interface, where you can access your existing documents or create new ones. Inside Google Docs, look towards the top menu. You'll find an option labeled Insert. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Table. This feature enables you to create your grid. As soon as you hover over Table, you'll see the option to specify the number of rows and columns for your grid. Click and drag your mouse, highlighting the dimensions you prefer. For instance, if you want a grid with 5 columns and 5 rows, click and drag over that area. Then release your mouse button once it's shaded to your liking. Now that your table is inserted, you have the framework of your grid. To ensure each cell is uniform and aesthetically pleasing, hover your cursor over any of the borders of the table. Your cursor will change to a double arrow indicating you can adjust the size. Click and drag to manipulate the borders so that each cell forms a perfect square, which is particularly helpful when aiming for visual symmetry and balance. And there you have it. You've successfully created a grid in Google Docs, perfect for organizing data, crafting design layouts, or simply keeping information structured. With practice, maneuvering through these settings will become second nature. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.